In this video, I will show you how you can add a fingerprint on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now on this page, just scroll down, and before you register your fingerprint, just set up your lock screen passcode if you have not set up one yet. Now I'll turn on passcode. Now from here, just create a lock screen passcode. Then select Use Anyway. Now just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now after you set a lock screen passcode, then tap on Add a Fingerprint. Now from here, just tap on the fingerprint sensor which is located on the power button or the side button of your iPad. Then just lift your finger off of the fingerprint sensor once the animation continues. Just like that. As you can see, I'll place my finger on the fingerprint sensor, and as this animation continues, I'll lift my finger off the fingerprint sensor. Now just repeat the same process. Now just try to place different areas of your finger on the sensor. Then tap on continue. Now just complete the registering process. Now once you have completed the registering process, then tap on continue. Now if I go to the lock screen of my iPad, I will be able to unlock my iPad using my fingerprint. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.